Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sadiq Hamour. I'm the Director of Financial Institutions. I have with me Mr Wim De Waele, CEO of B-Hive Europe, with whom the QFC has just signed an MOU on working together on FinTech. Very nice to have you with us, Wim. What is B-Hive and what is the focus and strategy?
As a FinTech platform, our strategy is to bring together the financial sector, the corporates, the existing banks, the insurers, the whole financial sector, and the upcoming technology companies that are typically focused on certain parts of the financial services sector and want to collaborate with banks and insurers most of the time. Sometimes they slightly disrupt the market or they disrupt part of the market. In many cases, the technology companies are looking for partnerships, and what we are doing with our platform is actually facilitating partnerships between financial services companies and tech companies from across the world. And we set up a platform to source the best tech companies starting in Europe with a worldwide ambition, and also the most interesting financial services communities. And that's how we get in touch with Qatar Financial Center and exist in the financial services community that's built up around it.
Very interesting. With B-Hive's international strategy to have footprints in different locations, you've opened offices in Brussels, New York, London, and soon to come Singapore. What can Doha add to B-Hive? What are the areas of cooperation you expect out of that?
Yeah, the reason we're expanding so quickly and aggressively internationally is because this is very much global market financial services. And for technology companies to actually thrive in this market, they need to be able to expand across the world. On the other hand, the financial services companies also need to source globally. Even if there are interesting local fintech communities or technology partners, it's also important to scan the world to see what's happening and to motivate tech companies to come work here, in this particular case in Doha. If you look at the areas that we focus on with B-Hive, we've always focused quite strongly on business-to-business relationships. That means corporate banking, wealth management as well, also retail banking, but strongly looking at collaborations between technology companies and financial services providers that are either focusing on a business target or entail some kind of business relationships. And the area specifically we want to work on in the context of Qatar and Doha is everything to do with trade finance, trading hub, trade finance linked to maritime, to aviation. There are a number of domains there where there's certainly potential for collaboration. And there is also quite a bit of potential in cashless payments, remittance. So what we're really looking for is a couple of domains, not too many, where we can focus the collaboration. And then also a couple of real spearhead projects that can represent the ambition of the region. And we hope to be identify those in the next couple of months.
Well, thank you very much, Wim, for the insight, and looking forward to see the result of this cooperation.
Thank you.
Thank you.